Hola from Bangkok! Deanna and I arrived here a few days ago, and we are currently moving into our new apartment for the foreseeable future. This is our third home together. We lived in Hanoi for 6 months. Thank you for tuning into my first vlog. I had a lot of fun making it here in Hanoi. Manila for 3 months. And after the last 8 months of non-stop travel, we have decided to slow down and make Thailand's capital our next home base. We are loving the vibe here. The street food is amazing. Deanna bought so much stuff shopping today. I also bought some stuff. We are so excited for this next chapter in our lives because having a home means we can unpack our suitcases and store them up high. It means we can replace a 100ml shampoo with a bigger one, use our own washing machine to wash clothes, have a fridge full of food to cook. First shop in the new home. And join a gym to get in shape. When you don't get to do any of these things for 8 months, they all become luxury. The transition to Bangkok was very smooth. Cruising through Bangkok at night on a motorbike, one of the best ways to get around the city. Durian? Durian?
Durian.
Is it good? You like? We already have local SIM cards, signed up for an awesome co-working space, and I got a monthly membership to do Muay Thai every day. But if you still want to know more about our decision,
here are 5 reasons why we moved to Bangkok.
1. We love Southeast Asia. This region has unbelievably nice people. Incredible food, amazing nature, beaches, jungles, mountains, and it's also very convenient. Everywhere you go in the city, there's another market with more street food. We feel most happy and at home here. It's also near the Philippines, where Deanna is from. 2. It's very cheap. We've both been to Bangkok several times before settling here, and we agree that it's the cheapest livable big city in the world. Our 1-bedroom apartment is $450 a month, total, which includes access to a pool and a gym. Just walk into any 7-Eleven and see how cheap a water bottle is, or a bottle of shampoo. It's great. 3. There's good Wi-Fi. Bangkok's Wi-Fi speeds are as fast as you can find almost anywhere in the world. Wi-Fi is available everywhere, from the MRT to open parks to coffee shops. It takes me 10 seconds to upload a video here, where in some places it takes up to 4 hours. Long story short, it makes our work lives a lot more efficient. 4. It's a hub. Our new apartment is only 15 minutes away from Bangkok's main international airport, which makes it very convenient to fly anywhere. Many big airlines fly into Bangkok, so it's a perfect spot to have a base. 5. Great networking. Bangkok is huge with many expats and locals, and there's also a huge community of digital nomads. We want to stay in a place long enough to get acquainted with like-minded people. As I mentioned, we signed up for a co-working space called Hubba, and we're already meeting awesome people. So if you guys are planning to visit Bangkok in the near future, let us know and we can show you around. I'm Drewbinsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.